Yeah, what's going on, you guys? My name is Jane, and today we will have a problem of alternative sorting. And the problem goes like this: so we have an array, print the array in such a way that the first element is the first maximum, and the second element is the first minimum, and so on. So, what exactly the problem is indicating that? Suppose this is the array they have given, which is containing of definitely integer, and after that we need to print in such a way we need to sort it, right? So this sort is sorted 11, 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, but we don't want to sort it like this way, but we need to sort in some other way. So let me tell you what exactly is this. So the first element is the first highest element, so you can see it here. So this is the first highest element, so this is the first element, and this is the first smallest element will become over here next. Second highest element will be the third position, second smallest element in the fourth position, and so on and on. So if you take the graph, the first element will be the first largest element, and the second one will be the smallest element, next one is the second largest element, third one is the second smallest element, fourth one is the so on and on. Alright, this is basically a simple problem. There is no complication in it. Naive method and all, directly what you can do: first find the largest element and print it, then find the smallest element and print it. After that you find the second largest element, print it, so you can get it that n square time. Alright, so but we don't want to do that in such a way, but if you want to do in a bit smarter way, so how we can do that, let's proceed. So how we will do that is sort the array. So let me write that sorted array. Sorted array, suppose if I write it, suppose this is a array a, integer a. Alright, so this is integer a. So let me sort it if you know the STL thing and all. So array sort, and what is the size of this array? A plus n. Alright, if it is a vector, then command will be different, but in this way it will work. So after this statement got executed, so what you will get: 11, 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, after this sort command got executed, you will get this. So now what you will do is, now the problem is pretty simple, there is nothing to do with it. So let me take two pointers here. So one is I and another one is j. So I will be pointing to the first element, j will be pointing to the last element. Alright, so let us see what exactly. So here first thing I need to print the largest element, second I need to print is the smallest element. Alright, so both the thing we are pointing at. Alright, so first we will go and print the 11 first element, and we need to proceed it because at the third time we are printing the 8. Alright, so we need to proceed that. After that then we will go to the j and we will print it 1. Okay, we will print 1, then we decrement it. So now we will go to the first one and we will print 8, and again we will increment it. Then again we will go to the 5 and we will print 2, then again we will and increment it. Then again we will go to the 2 and we will print 6, then we will increment it, and again we will go to the 4 and we will print the 3 and we will increment it. Then at the end we will print the 5. Alright, so in this way we can print all this way. So what exactly the code for that? The code for that is, so this is 1 2 while loop. So let me first initialize to 0 and j is equals to n minus 1. Okay, after that, so let me put a while loop while I is not is equals to j, or you can make it at I is less than j, or whatever it may be. I is less than j. Okay, so now print cout a of I. So we need to print a bit, because you can pick a comma. Okay, so comma here and cout again a of j minus j. Okay, so in that way you need to print. Okay, so now need to increment this I plus plus and j minus minus. Okay, so after that, if you take this way, but if you want to trace this out, let me tell you what exactly happened. So suppose I is 0 and j is 6, so I will print, so I will go over here and I will print 11, then I will print 1, so I will be 1 and j will be 5, then I will go to 8 and again I will be print 2, this will be 2 and this will be 4, and again I will print 6 and again I will print 3 and this will be 3 and this will be 3. So now if you check this, now if you check it out, there will be a problem. Alright, what exactly the problem is? The problem is that this I is 3 and j is 3. Alright, I is 3 and j is 3. Here you can see that this condition got failed. 3 less than 3, this is false, right? So what exactly this condition, this will come out and we can't able to print this 5. So, and this problem will only happen if the size of this array is a odd length. Alright, so for that particular time we have to print the middle element separately. So now here I need to write, so if size of this array, what exactly is that? N percentile 2, which means if it is odd. Alright, if it is odd, then print what? Print the middle element a of, because both are pointing to the same element. If you can see it here, both are pointing to the 3 if it is got executed at the end. So these are all pointing to the 5, so we can print that ai, right? So in this way. And if you see that if you for a even length value, there will be no problem. Let me take you an example of this. But if you see it now here, so if it is a even length one, so you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6, suppose this is even length, and suppose I am pointing here, so this is pointing over here and this pointing is equals to j here, there will be not at all an issue, because first I need to go over here and this will present over here, and then again I will go to 1, then it will go over here, then again it will go to 6 and it will here, and if it is 12 first, then it will come to 2, then again it will come to 3, then again it will come to 5, and again it will come to 3, and after that this will be pointing to here and this will be pointing here. So that particular time there will be no space left. Alright, so this exactly is the problem that is happening. But if it is a odd length, you can see it here, the middle element gets stuck. So for that reason we need to check this separate condition out. But if it is a even length here, there will be no problem. Alright, so this is the problem that we are dealing with. So let us compute what exactly the time complexity for this. Alright, first sorting, so this sort, what exactly the sort here, what exactly the sort we have put here. So this sort, because this is the quick sort element. Alright, so let me write over here. So this sort function is the quick sort. If you know it, then it is good. If you don't know it, just learn it. So this is quick sort. Alright, so this is